But ever wondered what it takes to make the world's most popular drink? Let's go behind the scenes and uncover the secrets of how Coca-Cola is made. Every single day, nearly 2 billion servings are enjoyed worldwide. But how does it get from a top-secret formula to that ice-cold bottle in your hand? It all starts here. The heart of Coca-Cola is its legendary secret formula, kept under lock and key for over a century. Only a handful of people know the exact recipe. We can't show you inside the vault, but we can see where the magic begins. In these high-tech labs, scientists meticulously handle the core ingredients. Natural flavorings, carefully sourced from around the world, are combined with that signature caramel color. This creates the concentrated syrup, the soul of every Coke. Next, this precious syrup is prepared on a colossal scale. It's moved into massive, gleaming stainless steel tanks. Here, robotic arms and automated systems add other key ingredients with absolute precision. The dark, glossy syrup is mixed until it reaches the perfect consistency. The texture is thick, rich, and ready for the next crucial stage. But the syrup is only half the story. The other is water, and not just any water. Coca-Cola uses an advanced multi-stage filtration process called reverse osmosis. This system purifies the water, removing any impurities to ensure absolute clarity and a clean, crisp taste. Digital monitors constantly track the water's purity, guaranteeing that every single drop meets Coca-Cola's exacting standards. This isn't just filtration, it's a science dedicated to perfection. Now it's time to give Coke its signature fizz. The purified water and syrup mixture are ready for carbonation. In this high-pressure environment, pure food-grade carbon dioxide is injected into the liquid. It's a carefully controlled process that creates those millions of tiny, sharp bubbles we all know and love. This is what gives Coca-Cola its refreshing bite and lively character. With all the core components ready, it's time for the final blend. The precisely measured syrup concentrate, the ultra-purified water, and the carbon dioxide are all brought together. They flow through a network of transparent pipes into a mixing chamber, where they combine to become the finished Coca-Cola. It's a seamless, continuous flow, engineered to ensure every bottle tastes exactly the same, no matter where you are in the world. From here, it's a race against time. The finished drink enters one of the fastest bottling lines on the planet. Thousands of bottles fly down conveyor belts at incredible speeds. Robotic fillers dispense the perfect amount of Coke into each one in a fraction of a second. Caps are instantly sealed to lock in the freshness and fizz, and lasers etch a date code onto every bottle. The scale and synchronization are just breathtaking. But speed means nothing without quality. Every bottle goes through a rigorous quality control inspection. High-speed AI cameras scan for the tiniest defects, while robotic arms instantly remove any bottle that isn't perfect. In the lab, technicians perform constant checks, tasting the product and verifying its color, sweetness, and carbonation levels. Nothing is left to chance. Once the bottles pass inspection, they're ready for the world. Automated machines wrap them into packs and stack them onto pallets. Fleets of forklifts zip around a massive warehouse, organizing the pallets for shipping. Finally, trucks are loaded and sent on their way, beginning a journey that could take them to a corner store just down the street, or to a remote village on the other side of the globe. This incredible process is the engine behind a multi-billion-dollar global industry. It's a story of secret formulas, cutting-edge technology, and a logistical network that spans the entire planet. From the marketing campaigns that create iconic moments to the complex supply chain that makes it all possible, the world of Coca-Cola is bigger than you could ever imagine. So, the next time you hear that satisfying fizz and take a sip of an ice-cold Coke, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get there. A journey of science, precision, and a little bit of magic.